Did you know that the fast fashion industry is the third largest polluter on the planet? Yes, the kind of clothes we have chosen to wear is responsible for significant ecological damage. The fast fashion industry emits more carbon than international flights and maritime shipping combined. Well, how can clothes be so environmentally destructive? And is there an indic solution to this problem? Let's find out. Demand for cheap and disposable clothing is what has made fashion industry so destructive. The extensive use of polyester, a synthetic, non-biodegradable, plastic-like material for manufacturing clothes has been the main factor for pollution. Polyester is manufactured by using petroleum byproducts, coal, water, and air in polymerization reaction in high temperature environment. The resultant product is stretched into long fibers. The fibers formed are very strong but are toxic in nature. A staggering 55% of the clothes are made by using polyester. On top of that, it is second largest consumer of world's water supply. So, why has this become such a huge problem in the recent times? Well, it has something to do with the change in purchasing patterns of the consumers worldwide. On an average, people bought 60% more garments in 2014 than they did in 2000, but they kept the clothes for only half as long. Due to this, one garbage full of clothes is either burnt or dumped in a landfill every second. Polyester, being a synthetic material, takes up to 200 years to completely degrade. So, maybe recycling polyester clothes can solve this problem? Well, not exactly. Recycling polyester clothes has been proven to be far more expensive than producing a new one. Another major problem with polyester cloths is with the release of liquid effluents by textile industries in water bodies. In order to make polyester fibers silky smooth, industries use toxic chemicals like formaldehyde, ammonia, and chlorine. When these chemicals are disposed of into water bodies, they get consumed by animals and human beings. Exposure to polyester dyeing chemicals is the leading cause of respiratory infections, skin problems, and disturbed sleep patterns. So, is there anything we can do to solve this problem? Yes, there is. We must again connect back to our profound Indic ways of life. Do you remember how your grandmother used to reuse old worn out cloths and made handbags and other useful crafts? This knowledge of sustainable way of life is starting to become history, so we need to get back to our roots. We must draw inspiration from Gandhiji's Swadeshi Khadi movement and buy clothes made of natural fibers like organic cotton, jute, hemp, etc. Not only are these environmentally friendly but are far more comfortable to wear. We must detach ourselves from this profit-driven fast fashion trend, which is nothing but a hogwash, and need to ensure that clothes are used to their full extent. Still, if nothing works out, you can always donate it to the poor and needy. If you like our video, please like and subscribe.